Hello everyone, Seth here, and today we are doing a lift tour in Stourbridge town centre, which is south of the Dudley district, and it borders South Staffordshire and Worcestershire. Now, there aren't many lifts in Stourbridge, so and yeah, there isn't really much else for me to say, so let's crack on with the video. Alright guys, this is our first lift in the smallish lift tour, and it's located in KFC. Just gonna wait for it to go down. And here it is. Just gonna wait for the doors to close. And let's go to one. Finally, this is an Ericto lift, and the capacity is 5 persons or 410 kilograms. We're nearly at the top. Just need to wait. Wheel up on. Wheel up on. And here we are at the first floor now, and as per usual drill is go back down to the ground floor. Almost there. I see the ground floor. Now let's move on. Alright guys, here's to the second lift in our Stourbridge lift tour, and it's located at McDonald's. Let's go to one. This is a Curti lift, a capacity 450 kilograms or 6 persons. Hi guys, no security camera in this lift. That's sad. Oh, screen's cracked. Looks like some criminal did just punch the screen until it became severely cracked and injured. But here we are at the first floor now. And now let's move on to our next lift. Alright guys, this is our next lift, located at the bus station in Stourbridge. If you couldn't hear me clearly, I said bus station, but here it is going down now, and here's the lift. Let's go to one. This is a Fizz and Cup lift, capacity 8 persons or 630 kilograms. Hi, and here's our myth, our legend, the security camera. We're going up now. Cool lights, and here we are at the first floor now. And here's a bus, and it's the 125 heading for Bridge North. And now let's go back down to the ground floor. Just gotta wait for it to go down.
Ground floor.
And here we are at the ground floor now. And now let's move on. Alright guys, this is our next lift, located at Tesco. Oh, this is the car park lift, and We just have to wait for it to go down, and here's the lift. Just gotta wait for the doors to open, and there we go.
It's going down, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've just seen that next door got out and they've locked it
Yeah, we might be in this lift for a while. Oh. But anyway, we're going down to -2, -2 now, which I know you can't see because of, yeah. And this is an Otis Gen 2 lift, capacity 1,600 kilograms to 21 persons.
Are you going back up, yeah?
Anyway, now let's go up to 0. Hi guys, and guess who it is? It's the security camera. Anyway, we are here now, and now let's move on to the other lift here at Tesco. Alright guys, this is our next lift, and it's the other lift at Tesco in Stourbridge. And now we're in. Let's go 1. This is an Otis Gen 2 lift, and the capacity is 1,600 kilograms or 21 persons. And hi guys, and our lovely friend is here, and it's the security camera. Here we are at 1 now, and now let's go back down to the ground floor. We're going down now. And here we are at the ground floor now. And now let's move on. Alright guys, this is our next lift, located at the library. This button is big, but now let's go 1. This is a lift and engineering services lift, and it used to be an old Otis, but now we're in. Hi guys. Just gonna wait for it to go up. Here we are at floor 1 now. Back down to the ground floor. These doors are very creaky, but we're just gonna wait. Here we are at the ground floor now. And that's it. I'm going to do the floor transition. Alright guys, this is our next lift, located at the Crystal Leisure Centre. We just have to wait, and come on, you gotta wait. And here it is. This lift is a lot smaller than I thought, but let's go to lower ground. This is a first lift, capacity 630 kilograms at 8 persons. This lift is like very old. There's no mirror, and even our friend is scared to join us. I can literally hear it farting. But here we are at lower ground now.
Doors opening.
And now let's go to 1.
Doors closing.
Now we're going up all the way. Dad. Oh, never mind. Just look at that gold thing. Reminds me of the house.
Yeah.
Yeah. But got it nearly there, hopefully.
Floor 1.
And here we go at the first floor now.
Doors opening.
And here we are at the first floor now. So now let's go back down to the ground floor. Oh, the door just like kind of reversed and then it just shut. Funny. I think there could be bugs roaming in this light ceiling.
Ground floor.
Ground floor.
Doors opening.
And that's it. Alright guys, this is our next lift, which is the car park lift at the Right Market Shopping Centre in Stourbridge. Just have to wait for it to go down. Just need to wait. Oh, this lift is slow, but it's going down now. Here it is at the ground floor. And now let's get in. Let's go to 4. Hi guys. I think this is a security camera, but yeah, this lift is very old. This is a Junction lift. Capacity 20 persons to 1,500 kilograms. But here we are at 4th floor now. 4 now. And now let's go back down to the ground floor.
Mind the door.
This car park is very old. Wonder why they didn't modernise it. But here we are back.
Ground floor.
Here we are back down at the ground floor now, and now let's move on to our next lift. Alright guys, this is our next building with a lift, and it's the yak, Nepalese and Indian cuisine. This cuisine is on 2 floors, and it has a lift operated by Altis Europa, and it's one of the very few Altis Europas still remaining in the UK. This was what used to be the Italian Vesuvio, which unfortunately closed down, and unfortunately we have limited time here, so we can't wait until it opens. So hopefully when it does open again, and we can film the lift in here. But yeah, this was our last building, and now I think it is, and now it's time for the outro now. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video of me meandering around Stourbridge Town Centre to film all the lifts, because there's like kind of quite a few lifts there in Stourbridge. And just so you know, we didn't include the Stourbridge Junction lift, because the lift at Stourbridge Junction station, because it was too far from the town centre. But anyways, I apologise for it being a pretty long outro, and I will see you in the next video. Guys. Anyways, goodbye everyone.